It's yet another beautiful day to prepare food for my family. So I've gone ahead to wash the chicken off camera. I've washed it thoroughly and I have seasoned it with no. I've seasoned it with curry, thyme, bay leaf, and the rest of the things, onions I've used. So right now I'm slicing the onions I'll be using to fry the stew. You know that beautiful taste that onions give in the stew? It is wonderful. Not just stew, any food you are cooking without onions, that food is not complete. So I've actually blended some onions in the pepper mix to make sure that I have enough of it in there. So this is the chicken. I have to turn it without adding water. Normally chicken produces water on its own, so this chicken now I didn't use any water to cook it. So this water is the water that the chicken produced. Just imagine adding extra water to it. That means I will have enough broths. So how are you doing, my beautiful people? Before I go ahead, hope you're fine. How is career? How is business? How are you doing generally? I want to know. Please drop it in the comment section because I also want to relate with you. And over here I'm frying the chicken. I just want to do a little frying for it, not just a deep frying every day or every time. I just want to pan fry it for a while and take it off the oil. So I have fried the first part of it and I have to flip to the over to the other side. Okay, so when I'm done with it, I scoop it out of the groundnut oil and use that same groundnut oil for stew. So I have to pour it inside a bigger pot and use it to fry my stew. Herein I put the onion and saute it in the groundnut oil for a while to release that beautiful aromatic aroma from it. And here is the pepper mix. I've poured the pepper mix inside and I will cover it to cook for like 20 minutes before opening it or adding any other thing. So right now I have opened it and it's not burning. I have to turn it very well and add the other things that comes with it. I have to add curry, thyme and all that. Actually, I've added the chicken. In my mind I was thinking the camera was on, not knowing that the camera was off. Imagine, this content creation can be very funny. So here I am, and after this I'll be adding the curry, thyme. I'll be adding this curry masala, the mixture of curry and thyme together. And this is Gino curry because that one was very small. It's a leftover of what I used the other time. And this is ginger and garlic powder. So here I am, and a bit of bay leaf, just one. If you have not been using bay leaf for your stew, you are missing out a lot. So try it today in beans, in rice, in porridges, anything you are cooking. Just incorporate bay leaf into it and you will enjoy it massively. So if you have been following me for a while, thank you very much. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And please do well to subscribe to my channel. And here Nipa has taken the light and the stew is ready. Thank you for your massive support. Bye.